It's time to upgrade this tractor and make it a whole lot better.
Just got done installing this. This was not what they advertised on their website where I bought this, which I will not name. But I have the wires, this blue one, turns into a red one way up here, which is spliced into here, into the main kill wire, into the coil kill wire that goes from up here someplace down to here and right to our key, which still works. And then, sorry tool, we have our black wire, which just runs to our ground for the battery. So yeah, and this, whenever you pull this out, this pulling tractor here, aka horsepower is yet to be determined, shuts off just like it's supposed to. So yeah, all done and configured and stuff for this Thursday. This is what I used for a they call this a it's really a kill switch, but it's a pull kill switch. You just kind of, this is a trailer breakaway switch, and what you do is you take your hand like this, and or in my case it would be a hook on like a rope or something, or a chain, and you would just pull it out like that. And this whole tractor, just got done with the choke, works mint. So now I can start it easier. Just watch. And I have high idle now.
Then I started building all the weight bracket stuff. Here's one of them. And then there it is all together with possibly 300 pounds of weight.